Have you ever wondered what actually causes hiccups? Most people think it's just from eating too fast, but that's not really true. So what really happens? I'll explain. If you love your dad, tap like, and if you're a good son or daughter, hit subscribe and share if it's true. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly spasms. That quick twitch pulls air in fast and your vocal cords snap shut, making the hic sound. They can be triggered by swallowing air, laughing hard, or sudden temperature changes. The weird part? Hiccups don't really have a clear purpose. They're just a random reflex your body still has.